Shut up and sit down.
Hello, gang. Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yes, we've only gone and got another prezzie, folks. Like I haven't blubbed enough this week. Kev's only gone and got me something else. So, do you want to see my box? Look at that. And it's a big one, isn't it, eh? Whoa, isn't it, eh? Yes, this is arrived courtesy of our good friend Fred over at Modelers United, who sent this down for Kevin. So, yeah, we just open it up, run the knife along there, desperately trying not to cut myself in the meantime. We'll just come down there like that, have a little scooty-kins along the back there. I'll try not to amputate my finger whilst I do it, but you know what I'm like, folks. So we'll just run that deftly, he says, along the edge of that box like that. And then we can open this bad boy up, can't we, and have a looky-loo at all of the goodness in there. So I'll just put my knife down, have a looky-loo at what we've got in here, shall we? Oh, my God. What? Oh, Amy. Hey, Kevin, you shouldn't have. Oh, look at this, folks. Oh, F4J Phantom 2 Navy. He's a rotter because it says here, to Colin, best regards, Kevin Stevens. Now, there's a joke behind this, folks. We're always ripping people and mocking them in the Zoom hangout, where if they're having a wibble about doing decals, we say, you think that's bad? Wait till you get the decal of Phantom. Well, Kev said to me the other week, you built one. And I went, no, I haven't. So he's got and stitched me up rather kindly and got me the 48th scale Phantom here. And it's a Zucamora kit, folks, in 48th scale. Have you a look at this. Whoa, isn't it, eh? Super wing version. Look at that. Oh, mate, spin the box round so you can have a little looky-loo at what we've got. Look at that. Yeah, look at the back of that and the canopies and all the cockpit detail. Gonna have fun with them afterburners and all. Look at them. So, let's open up the box, shall we, folks? Because, yeah, got to be nosy, ain't we? Don't know about you, I'm like an excited little schoolboy. Mind your mic there, Cole, and your camera. And we'll start delving through the plastic so that you can see what we've got in here, because it really is spectacular. So you've got some inner wings and bits there. Got the cockpit canopy, your rear wings. Look at that fuselage, folks. She's a fair old size, isn't she? Beautifully, beautifully sculpted and moulded there. There's bits and pieces there for the inner detail of the cockpit assembly. There's the jet engines with all the pipe work and all of that lot. Again, painting them alone is going to be monster. There's all your bombs, big bombs. Not some of the bombs, all of them. All of them, folks. There's still plastic coming here. She's a beast. Absolute beast. Look, still going, folks. There's all the landing gear and gates. Look at that. Beautiful underneath, sculpted there in the wings. And we got the destructions with the decal sheet. Oh, my God. I'm going to clear the bench here and put this back in the box safe. And then I'm going to let you into the decal sheet because I've just caught a glimpse of it and I'm in for a right old treat. I really am. So carefully putting this back away because I want to protect it all. And then we'll put the box just to the side there on my little table. And then I'll flop the instructions out for you so you can have a looky-loo, folks. But Kev, you are a legend because look at this. We'll just open this up nice and careful. I could shoot you. Honestly, mate. Look at this lot, folks. Hey, look at that lot. Yeah, the decal whisperer is going to have to come out and visit me for this, isn't it? because, yeah. Oh, mate, you ledge. And there's the legend with all the decal placements in it. And I don't like that paint scheme, I must admit. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And you think that's bad enough? Nah. There's more on the other side, folks. This isn't them all. Yeah. There are hundreds of them. So, yeah, I'll flip it over because, yeah, you'll see then. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to have to get the magnifiers of goodness out for this, Kevin, mate. I think the microscope might be out on the underside there because there's a lot of numbers there, mate. But look at that. Absolute beautiful. So I'm going to flip those inside that just for safekeeping. Even though they've got the sheet, I kind of just want to keep the decals safe. You've got a brochure there that's got various other plane kits that are in the Zero.Paints range. So there's enough there for your delectation, folks. And then we've got a super duper instruction book there, and it's a bit of a beast, isn't it, folks? Look at this. I think, Kev, this is going to be one of those video builds in the background, mate, isn't it? Because it's not a 5-minute weekend build. Yeah, look at this. Absolute stunning. Really is, mate. Unless I've got an idea, Kevin, actually, because you're firing up your YouTube channel. So how about we do a build together on the channel to try and launch your channel as well, mate? I'll film it at the same time so I can edit it down into manageable sections for the viewers. But we could also probably do some of this on a live stream just to help launch your channel for you. Have a think. Let me know if you're up for it. You can mock me as much as you want because I know deep down you're going to be rubbing your hands at my expense. But I'm looking at them jet engines and they give you a stand for it, folks. So you can have one of them on display so you can have a looky-loo. But I'm really tempted. I was thinking at first to hang it from the ceiling. But to be honest with you, I think it's too good to do that. I might get a nice little vignette. You know, one of these printed dios that you can get with like the aircraft carrier runway and all of that. I might bung it on one of them just to have it on a shelf display because I think she'd be much nicer and safer on the shelf, to be honest with you. But there's a lot of detail in this kit, just on the landing gear and all of that lot. But yeah, I think I'd like to have it as a shelf display. I think that would look pretty damn sexy. A lot of detail in that cockpit. And again, there's potential there with the canopies open where you can, like I say, see inside the cockpit. And yeah, rather than have that detail lost by hanging in the air from the ceiling, I think I'd rather hyper detail that and have that on the shelf. Let me know, Kev. Let me know your opinion as well, folks, with a comment on the video. We'll put them safely away inside the protective plastic there because I don't want to damage the decals or the instructions or anything like that. And we'll get that sorted out and start the build on that. Look at that, though. What a beautiful, wonderful gift. And again, you know, thinking of dear old Festa, mate, it's very humbling that you've done this. I can't thank you enough for your gesture. Both you and Jackie this week have helped me blub a little bit, and here I am again doing another prezzie video because you've been so kind. Have a think about your channel, mate, because I think it would be a good thing to let people come over and visit you. In the meantime, folks, there is a link to Kevin and Jackie's channels in the description of this. Go and pay them both a visit. Go and like and subscribe to their channel because it really does mean a lot. And Kev, I think we'll do this as a video and a live build, mate, to get your channel growing. But honestly, I just can't believe it. It really is. I've got to do a phantom, folks. Look at that, F4J Phantom 2 Navy. Yeah. Wow, what a gift. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your generosity there, Kev. Like I say, go and give his channel a visit. Link is in the description. And I'll love and leave you with, yeah, just a look at that box art, folks. Look at that. What a wonderful, wonderful gesture of kindness yet again. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for thinking of me. And yeah, I'm lost for words yet again. I've got a phantom. See you soon. Bye.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,